Got some beard mail from a new Canadian company called Beardo Beard Products, who actually just joined the live stream. They're based in Ontario. The owner, I've known him for a while now. Both formerly TBS and now doing our own thing. Yeah, feel free to send it some invites and then we'll get into this. There's the envelope right there. Really, really cool envelope. Yeah, based in Oshawa. So, yeah, another Canadian company. Definitely excited to check these guys out. Shout out to Beardo Beard Products for sending this over. Definitely in the Dragon Blood scent bundle. Got a couple other people in here. Let's get into it. Knock the cheese, welcome. Thanks for hopping in. Got some beard mail. Yurik, welcome. Give you a wave. That's super cool. Orange envelope definitely sticks out when it's in your mailbox. Hold up. Let's see. Nez, welcome. It's for Beard Mail, Canadian beard company called Beardo Beard Products, which is in the chat. And Ian at Beardo Beard Products, feel free to put your link in the chat, and I'll pin it in case people want to check it out. So we've got the beard conditioner. Oh, this is cool. Made in Canada. Love to see it. Got the beard balm, 2 ounce. And we've got beard wash. Packaging's nice. Yeah, it is. It's really cool. I like it. Just simple, easy to notice. And then we've got beard oil right there. Yeah, check these guys out. I'll post a link. Read your yep. Big Joe, welcome. Yeah, and this is the business card, all natural beard products for everyman, simple ingredients, simple packaging, simply amazing. So the website is www.beardo.ca, right there. Yeah, let's check out this scent. So it's Dragon's Blood is the scent. Doesn't look like the, no scent profile on the box. But Ian, if you're still in here, if you want to let us know what's in here. Oh, well, that's a nice scent. It's like smooth with like a bit of sweetness to it, but then also like a darkness to it, kind of. Oh, yeah, that's a good scent. That's what the oil looks like. Not too thick. It's just how I like it. That smells really good. Let's take a look at the beard balm here. Got the safety protection seal. Yeah, that's a good scent. That's what the beard balm looks like. Yellowish in color. Definitely, definitely a harder beard balm, which Ian, the owner, mentioned. Definitely gonna give you some good hold. I'm gonna test this out in beard, I think, within the next couple days. Yeah, really, really cool. So in the balm, it's beeswax, mango butter, jojoba oil, argan oil, and then essential oils. And then the oil is jojoba, argan, grapeseed, and essential oils. Yeah, so super simple ingredients, just what it is, what it needs to be. And you got these big ol' 8 ounce beard wash and conditioner. I was actually just in need of some new beard wash and conditioner soon. So yeah, thanks for coming in, Joe. Definitely let me use my knife here. Smells really good. Really good smell so far. Testing this out in beard, yeah, as I said. Check out Beardo Beard Products. I'll tag them in my story when I post a photo of these. And then also stay tuned for some product photos. Definitely really cool so far. Really like the scent. Gonna test out the feel in beard. Yeah, with the wash, the conditioner, and the balm, and the oil. I'm not generally a balm guy, but when I'm testing it for review, I do test it. Yeah, this one's got a really good scent to it. Yeah, thanks everybody for watching. Oh, and also, as as I'm live, check out the Bearded Regard live stream tomorrow, Friday at 10:30 p.m. I'm gonna be there with them, with Waltimus, Casey, and Nick. So, Grey Beard Liam just opened some beard mail from a Canadian company called Beardo Beard Products. They just launched recently. I think they're running a Valentine's Day special right now. I think 15% off. Check their profile and their website for more information. Yeah, so don't miss the Bearded Regard tomorrow. And if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel already, which this video will also be on, so shout out to everybody watching on YouTube. Yeah, check me out on YouTube, subscribe. Yeah, Ian, thanks again for sending this stuff out. I'm liking the scent so far, and this beard wash and conditioner is gonna last me forever, which I'm into. Really cool. I like the amber bottles and the containers. I'm actually working on my own stuff right now, just for fun, for now, and then rocking the amber bottles as well. It's definitely an underrated, underused color for the beard packaging. Yeah, that's all for now. Thanks everybody for tuning in. If you're watching this on YouTube, don't forget to subscribe, as I mentioned. Yeah, peace out, y'all.